And the next question is for Danielle, Maris, and Anthony. How did you find the transition from your previous genres, and what was the most exciting part of filming these action sequences? Maris.
Well, ako, I did my own preparation as well. Well, yes, we underwent 6-month-long training that really helped me a lot. But I also watched films that would also help me imagine how I portray my character and do my own stunts. Like Atomic Blonde, marami pa akong pinanood. So yeah.
Danielle.
Malayo, syempre. Nakapaglaro ng sangre na rin kami nila direct before. So warm up na rin ng konti sa action. May mga nagawa na rin ako dati sa production ni Tito Robin. So, hindi naman ganun kabago. Pero syempre, ito lang talaga yung mahaba na at talagang action lang talaga yung ginagawa namin. So, masaya siyang ginagawa and nakakapagod, syempre. Pero it's a different experience and looking forward ako sa iba pang actions na gagawin ko in the future.
Anthony.
Nag-Ironheart na rin kasi ako before, kasama sila Kuya Chart. So nakapag konting action lang. Pinagkaiba lang kasi ng Incognito, syempre malaking action sequence talaga yung gagawin mo. So, maganda talaga na mag-training ka kasi kahit ako feel ko na ang galing-galing ko, kaya kong gawin yan. Pagdating mo dun sa eksena, hindi mo siya kayang gawin. Hindi siya ganun kadali. So, at least, yun, nakapag-prepare kami for training, PKT, kahit pa paano, nag-improve naman. And, ayun, masaya.